Signs: your blood sugar is way too high. Usually, people connect blood sugar to diabetes. Diabetes is a very serious condition. However, before you are diagnosed with it, you will have some symptoms that will indicate that the blood sugar is too high. Thus, you need to be informed when it comes to the symptoms of high blood sugar so that you can save your body and health. The main reason for elevated sugar levels is usually the consumption of glucose in our diet. Glucose is distributed to every cell in the body, and it is very essential, of course, in the right doses. Nevertheless, if the levels of it become too high for a long time, then the kidneys, blood vessels, nerves, and eyes can be damaged. Nowadays, processed and artificial foods are mostly consumed and are part of people's diets. This is why the number of people who suffered from high blood sugar is on the rise. Thus, the best way to protect yourself, in this case, would be to notice the signs of it. Signs of high blood sugar. The symptoms of high blood sugar we are about to present are mostly overlooked. When you experience them, you might think that you are just feeling bad today and they will pass naturally. However, this is the body's way of warning you that there is a chemical imbalance that needs to be fixed. Therefore, watch out for these symptoms: dry mouth, blurred vision, impotence, constant fatigue or extreme tiredness, recurrent infections, increased thirst, stomach problems, difficulty concentrating, slow healing of cuts and wounds, nerve problems, excess abdominal fat/weight gain, constant hunger, dry and itchy skin, frequent urination and urination during the night. If you are worried about the blood sugar, there is the glycemic index, GI, which will indicate the number of carbohydrates and food products, so that it can highlight the foods you will need to eat and the ones you need to avoid. Also, the GI measures the food from 0 to 100, all depending on the system. Of the lower the number, the lower the glucose content. 3 high sugar foods to avoid. If you have recognized some of the symptoms we have mentioned and you are trying to avoid the high blood sugar, you should definitely remove some foods from your diet. Naturally, you should start with processed sweets and fizzy drinks. Better yet, do not have them in the house, especially if you are already suffering from high blood sugar. 1 slice of white bread, GI score 70. Due to the fact that a sandwich is made from 2 slices of bread, if you eat it, it can raise the blood sugar levels a lot. Instead, you should switch to brown bread. 2 rice cake, GI score 78. These are quite healthy if the blood sugar is low or normal. However, if you suffered from high blood sugar, you need to avoid them. 3 baked potato, GI score 85. Baked potatoes are not good if you suffered from high blood sugar. Avoid it at all costs if you have some of the symptoms listed above. 3 low sugar foods to enjoy. If you are serious about reducing blood sugar levels and keeping them that way, you need to manage your diet more. Thus, you need to start eating low sugar foods. The following ones are the best. 1 walnuts, GI score 15. They are perfect for snacks or a salad. They are very low in sugar and offer a lot of health benefits. Some of those are boosting the reproductive health for men and improving heart health. 2 broccoli, GI score 10. Even though broccoli is not the favorite vegetable out there, it can help a lot to repair the damage caused to the blood vessels by the high blood sugar. They are perfect as a substitute for meat, thus, you should incorporate them into your diet. 3 eggs, GI score 0. Eggs have no carbohydrates, and if you are diabetic you can eat them every day. They are perfect for the health and they will not elevate the blood sugar. As you can see, it is very important to keep close tabs on your diet and health. If you take our advice and consume the foods recommended, you will lower the blood sugar levels. Try them, especially if you notice some of the symptoms. Your health will thank you.